Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm making a Brussels sprout salad today, guys. Yes, I'm slightly obsessed with this salad because it is unbelievably good. This is the perfect winter salad and a great addition to your holiday table. So I'm going to dive in and get started because it's time to get cooking. All right, so I have all my ingredients here to make this salad. I'm going to go over them with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the dressing. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and then I'm going to give about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, but you could use apple cider vinegar, you could use a sherry or champagne vinegar, then 2 tablespoons of honey. All right, I'm going to give this a whisk. All right, then I have 1/2 cup of oil, and this is a light extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to whisk this in slowly. All right, I'm going to give a couple pinches of salt and a pinch of cracked black pepper. And then I have 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion. So I'm going to pour my dressing into a separate container. All right, so I'm going to set the dressing aside because now we've got to work on our Brussels sprouts. All right, so what I have here is a 1-pound bag of Brussels sprouts, and I'm simply just going to trim the ends and the outer leaves. And then place them in a bowl. So I gave my Brussels sprouts a light rinse and I patted them dry with a paper towel, and now I'm going to use my food processor to shred the Brussels sprouts. Now I've removed the blade inside and replaced it with the slicer. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a mandolin, and sometimes you can even find them in your grocery store already pre-shredded. But this just makes your life so much easier. I'm simply just going to add some Brussels sprouts to my food processor and start shredding. So you're left with these beautifully shaved Brussels sprouts, but I'm going to set these aside, and next I'm going to grate some fresh Parmesan, and I'm using a box grater for this. All right, so you need right around 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now the cheese is going in. Then I have some dried cranberries, about 1/2 cup or so of dried cranberries, and some slivered almonds. You can toast them if you want. About 1/2 cup of those. Give this a good mix. All right, guys, so if you are going to serve this for a holiday dinner, you will want to put the dressing on just before you serve it. But if you're going to keep it in your refrigerator for a couple of days, then just add the dressing as needed. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to place some of this salad here in a bowl, and then I'm going to mix in this delicious dressing. Such a beautiful salad. I love the crunch of the almonds and the sweetness of the cranberries. You can add some crumbled bacon to this if you wanted to. All right, guys, I hope that you give the Brussels sprout salad a try. I know that you will not be disappointed. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.